Kata Heian SHODAN. The techniques used. Gedan Barai. Downward block for attack or defense. Position, Zenkutsu Dachi, front stance. Jodan Age Uke. Upper level rising block for attack or defense. Position, Zenkutsu Dachi, front stance. Chudan Shuto Uke. Middle level knife hand block for attack or defense. Position, Kokutsu Dachi, back stance. Zuki. Front punch for attack. Position, Zenkutsu Dachi, front stance. Tetsui. Hammer block for attack or defense. Position, Zenkutsu Dachi, front stance.